Hi, hello everyone. Let us quickly take a look on the stocks which we planned yesterday, and also we'll see how we planned our trades in index. So as usual, first we'll open the charts. First we'll open the stocks. These are the stocks which we planned for yesterday. So we planned all these stocks: PEL, Balkrishna Industries, Escort, RBL, LTTS, Tata Motors, PEL, Jindal Steel. These two are weekly trades. Quickly, I'll show you how many of these stocks has given entry and how many of them hit the stop loss. So we'll start with PEL. Okay, let me open PEL chart. This was on 15 minutes. So I'll go back to the 15 minutes chart. This is type 1 entry. We wanted to enter little bit aggressive. So if anyone waiting literally for this 85 paise, they should have missed the entry, but actually this is the entry. We enter like even like 1 rupees above also, because this is type 1 entry, which means we are very much confident the price will go up from here. So this is 1:3 trade. If you are risking 1000 rupees, definitely should have got a 3000 rupees profit in PL trade. So this is one successful trade. And next we'll go to Balkrishna Industries. So Balkrishna Industries didn't give us entry. It gave us entry almost after 3 p.m. So that too, it was not a clear entry. It came very close to the entry. Anyways, even if it have given the entry also, we don't enter, because after 3 p.m. we don't take any trades, because there won't be enough time for the market to play out the trade. So now we'll go to the Escorts. Escort also we plan to go long here. Even today also you can look for this level. If it give entry around this level, uh, 2 2412 2413, this is where we can go long. And then we'll go to RBL Bank. RBL Bank is a HAT trade, which means we have planned this on 5 minutes. So this is what we planned yesterday. We wanted to go long when the price come here around 235. You can see it gave clear entry. From there it started moving up. This we planned 1:4 trade. If you're risking 1000 rupees, you should have got 4000 rupees here. Not only that, if you trailed this, see what it has given you. Even 1:9. For 1000 rupees risk, you should have got almost 9000, 10,000 profit. So we are not counting all that. We just plan this 1:4 trade, and that 1:4 trade target is done. So far 1:3 is done in PL, 1:4 is done in RBL Bank. Now let us see LTTS. LTTS is a 5 minutes trade as well. So we missed entry in LTTS just by few rupees. If this candle came to the entry level, definitely we would have entered. We missed this entry, so we'll just leave it. Now we'll go to Tata Motors. Tata Motors was a bit tricky. I have clearly told it is LAL trade. So people who don't know about this steady demand and supply, they should not be trading this, or you should ask us before you enter. Whenever you see anything like this LAL or LBL, which means there are two levels: level above level. Sorry, this is level above level. This is level below level. So there should be a way how to trade that. I'll show you on Tata Motors. So on Tata Motors, level above level, which means while shorting here, we need to keep in mind there is one more level above. We are not sure if the price will fall from here or from there. So the ideal way is we should enter in between these two zones, or enter some quantity at the lower level and some quantity at the higher level, with a stop loss above the second supply area. And you can see even this trade also worked very well. So now let us summarize what happened to the total stocks what we planned yesterday. PL has given 1:3 entry. So for risking 1000, you should have definitely made 3000. Uh, and then RBL has given 1:4 trade. For risking 1000, you should have made 4000 profit over there. We missed entry in LTTS. Tata Motors also has given more than 1:2 or 3. So yesterday was very good with the stocks. Balkrishna Industries, it didn't give any entry. We missed it. Escorts, we can even wait for today and see if it give any entry. On weekly trades, we didn't get any entry at all. So that is all about the stocks which we planned today. Yesterday was a very good day to trade in the stocks. They gave like very good return. Now let us look on index. In indices, so let me open our chart. Let me show you. Yesterday we could not make good trades in index. I'll tell you how we got confused with the Nifty. So if you remember, this is what I have posted in yesterday. So you can see Bank Nifty opening at 5-minute supply. No surprise if it fall immediately, which means we are expecting a fall from this point immediately. And now let me show you what happened in Bank Nifty. You see, this is the area, the same screenshot I sent you from team trading view. So the price open here, from there it started falling down. Even I said in the pre-market, I am entering some puts. So I placed this order around 120. Even I got the entry in this trade, but I was unable to hold this put because Nifty opened above previous high and it was breaking all the supply areas. So because of Nifty, I had to come out of um, Bank Nifty put, even though it didn't give SL. My initial SL is this. If we were holding this put throughout the day, it was falling. Though we entered the put over there, as the Nifty gave little confusion, we had to exit from the Bank Nifty trade as well. And this is one area where we tried some calls. It gave small profit and immediately they also came back. So already here we planned one put, and when it came here, we planned call in Nifty and Bank Nifty as well. They gave little pullback and again they started coming down. The moment it broke these levels, I asked to exit from both Nifty and Bank Nifty calls. So here in this one, we entered at 150. This went like till 130, 140 something, and again it started coming back. And later when it come to this low, when it came to this low, this is where we tried some calls. We tried to enter some calls over there. Uh, no, after seeing some pullback, we tried to enter some calls with the stop loss below this area. Even we tried some hero zero in 19900 call as well. I'll show you Nifty chart as well once we are done with this. So, and later I asked to exit all the trades in Nifty and Bank Nifty because once it came below this area, there is a high chance like the first 15 minutes high has been taken out in Nifty and low also has been taken out. So I thought maybe there could be a chance even it can go sideways and it can eat up all the premium, and at least the chances of market going up was very less. So I asked to exit all these calls. And and then we expected some pullback from this area, from this gap area, which it didn't happen. It just based little bit and then it cut through. And then what happened? We have seen the open interest in Nifty. So at every 50 points, there is heavy call rating, 800, 815, and 19,000 as well, which was showing like there is a less chance market can go up. But at the same time, Bank Nifty put rating was very much high. So it was a bit confusing. So Bank Nifty was showing some strength, whereas Nifty was showing weakness. And later these numbers also got changed. But I could not give much trades here because see, once we entered put here, it came, we tried calls, it didn't work. If 1-2 trades don't work, it is better not to trade in that day and better to leave it. And the market has given a lot of opportunities for scalping. Below this level, it should have been a put. So I can't give all these levels. These are the levels only for people who know a little bit about trading, about the levels, about this breakdown and all. So it gives some opportunity here. This is one area where uh, we can go long. It tried to pull back from this level, but even it cut through. So if you remember, once it cut through, when it was coming down here, I said like in case if you see market coming back to this area, this is where we can go short. But it didn't pull back till that area. So there was no trade which we planned. And also if you remember yesterday, this is the level which we marked yesterday, 45,732. If market comes here, we thought like to go long. You can see there was almost 100 points pullback from that demand area. Of course, even this demand also didn't sustain. Again, it came back, it based little bit. So when this demand didn't work and when it was basing here, we tried some hero zero of 45,500 put around 20 rupees. It came below, but it didn't sustain. If it worked, my expectation was market would have come till 45,300 and even 45,100. So it is okay to take I'm completely okay taking that 20 rupees hero zero. Even that gave like a 30 rupees target multiple times. So, but once this has been taken out, 46,000, 45, if it has come like, below 45,500, definitely we would have seen a huge fall from there. That is what happened. Now let us see what will be the trades for today and how we should be planning trades for today. So, okay, before this, what I'll do, there was some news, right? Let me show you the telegram. We need to keep an eye on the news as well. See, whenever there is surprise in the market, whether it is good news or bad news, if nobody expecting some good news and all of the sudden if you see a huge good news, you will see robust up move in the market. In the similar way, if any surprise negative news can pull the market down a lot. So nobody was expecting this good news GDP growth in US economy, but they have posted very good numbers. Because of that, we have seen huge up move in US markets yesterday, and which led even Gift Nifty was trading almost 200 points gap up yesterday. Even right now also, uh, okay. Now I'll show you all these charts on the trading view because my Nifty chart is also not loading properly. So let me show you what happened in US markets yesterday. This is the Dow Jones chart. So, or even we can go for the Nasdaq as well. You can see Nasdaq, it opened like huge gap up. And from there, you can see by end of the day, it gave up all the profits. It came all the way down. Whatever gap up uh, it did yesterday, it was unable to sustain that. By end of the day, it came all the way down. Now let me show you the Dow Jones as well. So Dow Jones also, there was like all these are like Dow Jones. This is like top 30. This is kind of Sensex to US market. Nasdaq is Nifty IT for US market. So you can see there is a gap up, and you can see okay, now we need to open. Okay, we have seen Nasdaq. Let us see Dow Jones as well. Dow Jones also there was a gap up, and what happened later? We have seen completely it gave up and it came down. So this is what happened. And let me open Gift Nifty. If you see, it is still trading there only around almost like 200 points gap up, whatever it did yesterday. Even right now also it is trading there. This is the live market what you are seeing. So we Gift Nifty closed here, even we closed down yesterday, and because of US news it went up, and it was just trading there. Maybe after we closed, US has come all the way down. Now we need to see whether our markets will come down or not. Let's see how or where the markets will open, and then we'll trade accordingly. So keep these levels in mind. So I want to show you Nifty chart on trading view because my Trade Tiger is not loading properly. So this is how we traded. We wanted to go long above this level. As expected, it gave entry here and quickly it moved up. And from there, we thought like, once if the first 5 minutes candle high, this is like, breaking 15 minutes high. That is where we exit even from our Bank Nifty put also. This small up move trapped us. Otherwise, we would have definitely captured this complete move. So what happens if you miss the short entry at the very top? Even we tried some call here, and below the we came out of this. Once if it come to this area, we'll move our stop loss to this level and then to this swing low. Like that, we can keep on moving the trailing stop loss. But it will be hard to manage the trade if you enter somewhere in between. Let's say if you enter put here, your SL will be very much high. So it will be very hard. So always uh, it will become a great trade only when we capture it at the right moment. So yesterday, at least I could not capture this complete move because though I entered the put in Bank Nifty, so I'll show you as you have seen, I entered the put here in Bank Nifty, and in this area, as the Nifty trapped, I came out of put. Otherwise, definitely by trailing, we should have captured a good move in Bank Nifty. So that is fine. Now let us see. This was one demand area for Nifty. What we'll do, I'll mark the supply area here. Now we don't know if the market come here or this area or even these all are my shorting levels. So now we need to see where the market is going to open. So in case if the market, this is yesterday high, right? Okay, now let me mark this as yesterday high. If market give you chance around this supply area, if we also gap up like 150, 180 points, something like that, and if we come like very much close to 19,850 somewhere, definitely you can look to go short around this area. So you can look to go short around at the high of yesterday. If market open somewhere here, this is where we'll look to go short somewhere at that area. Our SL will be the high of yesterday. Once if it break that, we'll wait little bit, and if it sustain, that is where we'll look to go long. So that should be the plan. Even if it looks like we are going to gap up, but we need to see if we are going to gap up here or here or here. Wherever it gaps up, if it gap up here, we'll wait little bit. But if it gap up somewhere in this area, we'll definitely look to go short with this small SL. So now that should be the plan in Nifty. Now let me also show you on Bank Nifty. On Bank Nifty, I can show you here the same level, whatever I posted during the day. If you see around 4650, 46,050, if Bank Nifty opens somewhere here, this is where we look to go short. And to go long, either it has to go sustain here or it has to go before above previous high. Similar to Bank Nifty, sorry, similar to Nifty, if it opens somewhere at the high, close to the high of yesterday, we'll look to go short and the SL will be above previous high. So that should be about Nifty and Bank Nifty plan for today. And for the stocks, for intraday stocks, just give me some more time. I'll post them. I'll scan for the stocks. I'll look for them and I'll post them on the Telegram group very shortly. Thank you so much for watching.